Hello, kindergartners. Feeling pretty good about how well you can read the sight words? Who is? I hope all of you are. This is our last day to review the new ones, and we're going to review all of our sight words. You see these little movements over here? That stands for jumping jacks. These are desk push-ups, but you could do regular push-ups since you don't have a desk at home. This means balance on one foot, and this means you run in place. The idea is when you see these pictures, you would do those activities. Honestly, I think this is going to go too quickly for you to do that much movement. All you have to try to do is read the word before it goes away. Are you ready? There's only 12. Begin. Look, where, has, play, help, what, to, good, this, me, here, who. That was pretty fast, wasn't it? If you could even read them that quickly, I'm impressed. But you could play a game like that with your own flashcards, make up a different move for each word. All right, let's move on. We're going to try to read these sentences. If you need to turn off the video or pause it so you can practice yourself once, that's great. Pause it now because we are going to go ahead and read. Let's start with the red words. What is this one? Who? Can. Look. For. The. She. Is. Good. Play. They. Have. All right, you know what we're looking for. Go ahead and let's try to read with fluency. We had a good time. Who do you know? Where did you go? Did you look in here? Can you play with me? She has a new game. Do you want to help? I can help too. All right, let's see how many of the sight words from this weekend we can find. Let's look for the word who. How many whos can you find? I only see this one. And possibly if you want to count this one. How about good? Can you find the word good? Once again, right up here at the beginning. And right up here if you like to circle the little red ones. That's all we have. But almost every other word on this page is a sight word. All right, now we're going to go through 22 of the words. They might move pretty quickly. See how well you do. I'll call them out right before they change to see it so you can check yourself, but try to go faster than I do. Here. She. This. Where. Good. Play. For. Who. Help. To. Has. Have. Is. Want. Me. They. What. of, was, look, little, said. How did you do? If you need to, you can always go back and practice again. If that was easy for you, you can go back and say the word and try to spell it before I say it. All right, let's do some review. All 45 words, they're going to fly by and I'm not going to say them. Go for it. Ready? Begin. How'd you do, boys and girls? Remember, even if you weren't able to read all of those words easily, I'll bet you a few of them came just like that. And if you keep practicing, all of them will. Here are our sight words from units 1 through 5. Let's read them together. I'm just going to click on it. I, can, the, we, see, a, like, to, and, go, you, do, my. If you weren't able to keep up with me, pause the video and go back and try to read them yourselves. And of course, you can always pause the video to work on your sign language. Here's one more set of 43 words. They're going to fly by. Do your best. Great job, kindergartners. I know you got those last ones easily. You can come back here any day to keep reviewing the sight words. Here they are, the words from Unit 6 and 7. Is little. She was. For they have of said want. Parents, I'm going to leave this here for you. You can pause it and see if there's any ideas here that you think it would be fun to do with your kids. Can't stress it enough. The more you practice the sight words, the easier they are. And the more you know the sight words, easier reading becomes. Thanks, boys and girls. You did a great job this week. I'll see you next week.